Welcome back. It's surprising that residents of Baina have no idea about MPT's proposed fishing jetty. They are strongly opposing the project. They fear that they will lose their beach if the jetty comes up. However, the state authorities have assured them that the project will not be allowed without taking locals into confidence.
MPT has proposed a jetty at Baina. The site has been inspected, but residents are not aware about the proposed project coming up in their vicinity. They have strongly opposed it. They have submitted a memorandum to the government. Mormugaon MLA Milind Naik, Vasco MLA Jose Philip D'Souza, Director of Fisheries Department Santosh Verekar, and ex-MLA of Kortali Matani Saldana visited the site and heard the grievances of the locals.
Our demand is the dock should be where it is only. There is no security problem. It is only the problem here is what we call as to take over, monopolize the whole area for the port.
Vasco MLA and Revenue Minister Jose Philip D'Souza and Mormugaon MLA Milind Naik has assured that the project will not come up without taking the people of Baina into confidence.
memorandum दिला क्लियर सरकाराकडे गेला memorandum पण त्यांचे बीन कितें मागणे आहा त्यांचे कितें म्हणणे आहा ते सरकारान मातशें कन्सिडर करपाक जाय
एमपीटीन आमकां फिशिंग जेटी हांगा बांदून दिता म्हणल्यार आयज पासून हुंय फिशिंग जेटी आमकां बांदून दिता थिंगा आयज पासून आमी ऑब्जेक्शन हाडलो ना इवन आमी एमपीटीक सांगला जाता जाल्यार आमच्या वास्को ज्यो आमी खाऱ्यावाड आहा थिंगाच बांदून दी.
Director of Fisheries Department Santosh Verekar said, only after a thorough study of the project and its impact, this project will be allowed.
MPT has appointed some agency, that CWPRS from Pune, to make all the studies, water model studies and all those things. Even environmental studies will be taken up. And after the studies are conducted, and if they found that there is no impact assessment on this jetty beach, then only we are going to go ahead. So it will depend only after the studies are done.
Our reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
Karnataka CID has put Seza Goa under the scanner suspecting export of seized iron ore from Belikari port. Around 5 lakh metric tons of iron ore was seized at Belikari port by Karnataka Forest Department. CID is investigating the case to find out who is responsible for the theft. Around 45 new companies are also under the scanner. Goa MD of Seza Goa was not available for reactions.
Karnataka CID is investigating the theft of nearly 5 lakh metric tons of illegal iron ore worth about 150 crore rupees from Belikari port in Karnataka. Among the big companies, CID suspects Vedanta Group promoted Seza Goa. All these companies exported iron ore between February 2010 and May 2010 from the Belikari port when the iron ore seized at the port by the Forest Department went missing. They have been made a part of the investigations to help find out who is responsible for the theft. When we tried to contact Seza Goa MD PK Mukherjee, he was unavailable for comments as he is out of station. Our principal correspondent Murari Shetty for Prudent Media.
A meeting was held in South Goa to discuss about the security arrangements during Chavath. CCTVs and metal detectors will be provided to all Sarvajanik Ganeshotsav mandals to avoid any untoward situation. Volunteers are asked to keep strict vigil due to inadequate number of police personnel.
South Goa Collector and Police Department held a meeting with South Goa Ganesh Utsav Mandals for security arrangements. It was decided to have only one entry and exit point for smooth public movement. Police have asked the citizens to inform them about any suspicious movement by unknown persons. Precautionary measures will be adopted while distributing prasad.
Crowded जो असा मडगांव सारख्या वास्को सारख्या उडचड्यावेले काणकोण 4 रस्त्यार तसेच मडगांवची सगळी ह्या प्लेसांनी टीव्ही सर्किट गरजेचे एक तुम्ही एक वेळार एकच फोकस घालतात आणि मागीर दुसरे कडेन काळोख आसता मी चारही सायडीनी लक कोणी आयले जाल्यार पसून एंटी एलिमेंट आयले जाल्यार तांकां कळपा जाय ते राउंड मार तांकां दिसपा जाय सो जी एरिया सराउंडिंग जी आसा ती सारकी उजेडाक दवरपाक.
South Goa SP Alan Disa appealed to the people to play safe with fireworks and immediately inform about any suspicious movement.
The main precaution म्हणजे की रातचे कोण तरी व्हॉलंटियर थंय आसूंक जाय ज्या जाग्यार गणपती पुजता पळय थंय कित्याक थोड्या जाग्याचेर कोणूच रावना रातचो आनी इतलो आमचे कडेन पुलिसूय फोर्स ना कित्याक 84 टोटल गणेश मंडल्स हा आमच्या साऊथ डिस्ट्रिक्टान आनी एक आमी करतले सेक्युरिटी की आमी सगळ्या कडेन एक रेजिस्टर दवरतले आनी आमचे पळय रॉबिन्स आसात ते वचून ऑन आवरली बेजीस सगळ्यांक विजीट मारून कंटिन्युअसली चॅक करून एक ते रेजिस्टरार सायन मारतले सो दॅट दे ऑल्सो चॅक एंड द प्रेझन्स ऑफ पुलीस इज एस्टॅब्लिश्ड.
A reporter in Margao, Sameer Bhatt.
Dr. Narayan Desai, principal of SS Angle Higher Secondary School, retired. The principal hopes to keep his childhood alive throughout the rest of his life. He has been serving the Mashai village and the state for many years in the field of education.
Nirakar Education Society's SS Angle's Higher Secondary School bid a farewell to their principal, Dr. Narayan Desai. He was felicitated on the occasion. On his last day with his students, he recollected his childhood days and said he will keep his childhood alive throughout the rest of his life.
घडताना मी असाच घडलो मत्त कलंदर स्वैर तुफान जगण्याची पथ्ये पडताना स्वत्वाचा केला अवमान ठेचाळतही चाललो नाही फिरलो माघारी किती मनांच्या पेढ्यांवरती पत्करली मी नादारी आता सारी व्यथाच गणती घडलो आहे दिसे तसा क्षणभंगुर जीवनी घेतला भटकंतीचा एक वसा. हे म्हणजे काळीच केन्नाचे 15-16 वर्सां वयले तो भुरगो म्हज्या हाजरी आसा तो म्हाका सोडिना आनी म्हणून जे कितें करता तातूंत भुरगेपणाच करता त्याचो अभिमान बाळगिता कारण भुरग्या बरोबर जगतलो जाल्यार हांव कितलोय जरी जाणटो जालो तरी म्हाका भुरगेपण जगूंक जाय ही एकूच गोश्ट म्हाका कळटा.
Satish Paingankar, educationist Pandurang Nadkarni, Hemant Kamath, Maria Gonsalves and others were present at the function. Educationist Pandurang Nadkarni appreciated Dr. Narayan Desai's contribution in the field of education.
शिक्षकांची गरज आसा आनी हे समाज जागृतीचें काम समाज शिक्षकाचें काम नक्कीच डॉक्टर नारायण देसाय आपल्या फुडल्या वाटचालीत करतले.
A reporter from Kankon, Babesh Borkar.
Time now for another short break. Stay tuned.